I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, die and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off of
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be?
Yeah, common sense, man. You got the executive producer himself. I already know common sense. You coming for him, you know what I'm saying? You got children, man. We got to sit in this thing. You already know. Looking like murder.
They told me to wait on you. They told me to wait on you to tell the devil.
Yes,
why
sir.
you named the movie Common Sense?
Yes,
they
sir.
want you to explain that.
Hey, I got to let them know straight up.
You named the movie Common Sense. But you want to see the
Y'all coming out, man. For real, y'all already know who been in the street the longer, man. Grind, you feel me? So what's up?
Yes, sir. Stay down film, man.
Yeah.
Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna?
Oh, well, you want to go? That would be perfect.
I know that.
Common sense, man. Common sense, baby.
Pulling up that pineapple, service. That's each night I'm blurred.
Now, goddamn, for real.
How you doing? Thank you for coming too. That's good. Appreciate it, Mark. Oh yes. You ain't gonna be disappointed. I got firm niggas that could pop.
Leaving me, dripping out on me.
Get my sprunner and just live happily ever after, you know what I mean, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So with my new paint I ready, got everybody going good paint. Nobody don't even notice I got trap out the trap coming through the door. You know what I'm saying? Then me and Captain, we talked for a minute.
You okay, ATL?
Oh yeah, man.